Alright guys, got Nate here. He's going to do one of these Super Break basketball bags. Let's see what we got. Good luck, good luck. Stuff's been hitting pretty solid. Alright. Oh, I think we got one of those bar cards. That's pretty sick. Dominique Wilkins, the bar, Platinum Edition. PSA DNA cert on the auto, and it's got a tag piece. It's like from a game used jersey. Oh, it's actually a warm-up. That's pretty sweet, man. And the second hit. Hakeem the Dream Olajuwon. On card. Topps autograph, unnumbered. Alright, not a bad box. Cool piece on the Dominique. Human highlight reel. Appreciate it, man.